Alright guys, I don't remember really what I showed you last, but we showed you that the radiator came in, which actually can, I think it can go back in. And then, I mean, obviously, there's no front end on this thing, but you know. So we got all the old junk out of here. But and then we have new everything. We showed you the shocks and everything. So we sent out the lower control arms to be redone because we don't do those ourselves. We have someone else do them. And so we're waiting on that, and then upper control arms are giving us issues coming out. So those are still in there. You can see the upper right there. Those will come up tomorrow. Me and Buzzy will get those out tomorrow. This is kind of our project. But we got basically completely apart. And I know he's about there to pull the steering. And then we can actually start mocking up the steering probably tomorrow. So when he comes in the morning, obviously we'll both be here at the same time, so we'll immediately hop back on this. And yeah.